At Vail Products, the user experience drives our innovation. We've addressed common performance issues and strategically engineered a product that offers ease of maintenance, reliability, and high productivity. The Vail Drum Mulcher is equipped with all the features you need to mulch trees efficiently and keep your equipment running smoothly. The demands of the mulching industry are evolving, and operators want more from their equipment. With over 50 years of manufacturing experience, severe duty is more than a buzzword. It's our standard. Developing the most heavy-duty, robust attachments is what we do. Why is the Vail Drum Mulcher worth a closer look? Let's break down a few key features we believe separate us from the competition. Ease of maintenance. The Vail Drum Mulcher is equipped with 8 independent bolt-in liner wear plates that allow you to replace only the necessary liners. 2 external grease points that lubricate all necessary internal points. Bolt-on replaceable skid shoes. High-end cog drive belt, eliminating slippage and constant belt adjustments. A no-maintenance hydraulic drive system. Heavy-duty design. Constructed to be the most robust drum mulcher on the market, our heavy-duty design incorporates high-grade materials while keeping the equipment envelope as small as possible. The Vail SuperDrive system. The Vail SuperDrive system was designed to be the most powerful, self-regulating drive system on the market. Unlike our competitors, this innovative system can be tuned to a wide spectrum of loader flows, 25 to 60 gallons per minute, and pressures 3,000 to 6,000 psi, thus allowing dealers to stock less models. The Vail Drum Mulcher can simply be retuned at the dealership. Operator advantages. Designed with the operator in mind, the Vail Drum Mulcher's center of gravity is very close to the loader hitch for better maneuverability and mulching visibility. We have also installed our exclusive offset hose routing for better mulching visibility. Mulcher brake system. The Vail drum brake system is factory set to stop the drum in 10 to 15 seconds from the top end of 2,700 RPM. Tooth options. We offer multiple non-proprietary tooth options at reasonable costs. Case drain protection. The drum mulcher features a built-in atmospheric case drain protection valve for the drum supply lines and loader. This alerts the operator of potential hydraulic issues before serious damage can happen. Adjustable push bar. The drum mulcher features an adjustable push bar for different types of mulching. Ease of tuning. The drum mulcher also features a large 4-inch system supply and case drain pressure gauges for tuning, monitoring, and diagnostics. Minimal tools are required to tune the drive system. Extensive warranty. We provide an unmatched 3-year structural warranty on frame and 1-year warranty on hydraulics and drive system. American made. Like all Vail product attachments, the drum mulcher is built in the heart of the USA. We build heavy-duty products with Midwest work ethic. We build to be the best. Service with integrity. We understand customer loyalty is a direct result of the integrity displayed by our sales support team. Simply put, it's our intention to always treat others the way we want to be treated. Our expectation is to offer unmatched service and be there when you need us.